Okay, so let's talk about your robot screen. Now, I've got this cable. There we go. Let me just move that cable over the side. To start up a robot, number one is you just press the center button, okay? So it lights up red. And I want to do this all in real time so that you see how long it takes to start up a robot. So while it's starting up, I want to explain a couple things to you. First of all, when you're building, make sure always to leave room for the charge port, which is down there, okay? So I will charge it, but I need to have room to be able to get that charge plug in there. So I barely on this one that I've made have room, but I could actually get it in there, no problem. Don't build a wall on the back of it because I'll never be able to access it. Okay, on one side, the side that says EV3, okay, we're charged, I mean, we're opened up now, the green light's on. EV3, this is where you plug all of the sensors into, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors. On the other side of it is the A, B, C, D for the motors, okay? So that's motors go in this side, sensors go in this side, and now we're up and running and you can see what we got here. Okay, so you basically, these are your 4 arrows. I can go, across the pages this way and then go up and down as you go into a page. And then, like for example, to get the program I just barely made, you can see I've got iPad program, but I really want the CBF Pro down here at the bottom, CBF Pro, that's me. And I hit the center button to select it, and then I go down here to where it says CBF. So one is the folder, and then one with the little play button, that's where I'd actually run the program. If I press go, now it's doing the 5-second delay. 3, 2, 1, starts to run, and of course it's running now, okay? To cancel a run, press this alone button right here, not part of the cluster, but this one all by itself. That cancels any program, okay? That cancels it running. That's also how you shut it off. So that basically explains what you need to do. And so I'm gonna just shut it down now. I'm gonna press that, press it again, and then here's my choices. Cancel or actually shut it down. I'm just gonna go over to the check mark and then press the select button, and now it's powering down. It does take about 15 seconds to power down. So it's red, and then it's gonna power down. But essentially, that's how to operate the controls on an EV3.